When we talk about a computer, what comes into your mind? For example, if you are going to purchase one, for example, that desktop, what really comes into your mind? Look at it. So first of all, it is comprised of 4 items, one of which is a monitor, that one you see. There is that one which is a keyboard. Apart from a keyboard, we have what we call a mouse, the way you say it. Then lastly, we have this, it's called a system unit. Yeah, so that is the front part of it. The main issue is behind. So what you see here behind, actually it's where all the other parts are connected. For example, a monitor, that one I'm touching, then there is this keyboard and the other mouse. So on the keyboard there is a cable, of which this cable, this side, it has a USB connector. So this USB connector, you connect it on the port, the USB port on the system unit. Then you look for another cable of that mouse. So this side, it also has, on the other hand, it also has a USB connector. So that means you also connect it behind the system unit. So we have attached the keyboard and the mouse so far. So let's look at the monitor. Is the monitor on? No. So that is the monitor. It looks like a television or a screen. So first of all, let's first see how is it connected and how does it go on. So there is that port we see. There is that port. Then there is also this port on the behind of the system unit and that one. So what is what? Okay, there is also what we call a cable. This is a VGA cable. On this side, it has what we call a female VGA connector, of which you connect it on the male one. Like that. Then you have to attach it well. You tighten the screws so that it can't get out. As simple as that. Now on the other hand of this cable, we also have a female VGA connector, of which is supposed to go there. But the first question is, okay, let's connect it. This is female on the VGA cable, which goes there. But we also have this one. So when you find a computer with these two, that means you're supposed to connect it here, because this one is the expansion slot for its VGA port. That means the other one up, the other one up is faulty. So here it's connected. Now we have connected the monitor to the system unit. Now all of these ones, they are connected behind here. Now there is what we call power. We are supposed to find a way we connect it to the switch. Yes, even this one, it needs a power. That means we are supposed to connect it also to the switch. So that means we need a power cable. So we have 2 power cables here. I'm going to first let go one. I'll connect this one behind the system unit. Then I plug its plug under there on the switch. As simple as that. Then we shall see that the fan is rotating, and when I turn off the light inside the system unit is on. That means it has worked. Now the other hand, I'll also connect the power cable to the monitor. Yeah, to the monitor. Then after, I'll also connect its plug down the switch. Then I have to turn them turn the switches on. Okay, let me first put this one. All right, so yes, the switch down is on, even the monitor it's on, the system unit is on. So here I just have to press F1, which they are telling us there. Press F1, simple. Then it will tell us, yeah, that F1. Okay, now it is telling us start Windows normally. There you're supposed to press enter. As you press enter, so it will be like that. So that means our Windows has started normally. So that is the power button you see there. The computer is now on, just as usual. So that is the power button. If the computer doesn't go on, you press there. Okay, now this is the mouse. Okay, so the mouse is working as we expected. So you just have to select right there. I put a password. Okay, then I press enter. Just like that. Then they'll tell us welcome and the machine will go on. So that means our computer is now working just fine after connecting it successfully. So that is the keyboard, this is the mouse, and yeah, that is the full set of a computer. It is comprised of majorly 4 parts. So that is our computer set. It has 4 parts, actually, of which this is the system unit. It has a fan there where we find this power supply. The monitor is connected also using a VGA cable. Yes, that one. So I think we are well and good. Okay, till we meet again, thank you for attending this lesson. Goodbye.